Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get horse class in Dead Rails Roblox. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up Roblox and launch Dead Rails. Over here, go to the party creation area and select the horsing around game mode. After that, start the mode and begin your run as a horse. Then, sell the gold bar to get a good weapon like a shotgun from the gunsmith. After that, obtain some armor to protect yourself during the fights. Then, when facing outlaws, choose to either engage or escape. After that, outrun most dangers, but be careful of werewolves who can keep up with you. Then, during a blood moon, sidestep to dodge vampire attacks. After that, during a full moon, use your weapon and maintain distance to deal with werewolves. Then, during a new moon, use the same strategy to defeat runner zombies. After that, if there is a lightning storm, find shelter or use a lightning rod. Then, complete the horsing around mode to unlock the horse class. After that, return to the main lobby and head to the tailor. Then, select and equip the horse class from the tailor. So that's basically how you can get horse class in Dead Rails Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.